Good morning, class. Today, you will be watching a conversation between a nurse and a patient in a hospital. Afterward, please answer the questions related to the video. Following that, pair up with a partner and prepare for a role play based on the scenario depicted in the video you have just watched.
Good morning, Ms. Johnson. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, nurse. I'm feeling a bit anxious and down. I've been struggling with my illnesses lately.
I understand. It's important for us to discuss your illnesses so we can better support you. Could you please tell me more about your conditions?
I have been diagnosed with 2 mental illnesses, Major Depressive Disorder, MDD, and Generalized Anxiety Disorder, GAD. They have been affecting me for a while now.
I see. Major depressive disorder is characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a loss of interest in activities. Generalized anxiety disorder, on the other hand, involves excessive worry and anxiety about various aspects of life. Have you noticed any specific symptoms related to these illnesses?
Yes, definitely. For MDD, I often experience a lack of energy, changes in appetite, difficulty concentrating, and sometimes even thoughts of self-harm or suicide. With GAD, I have constant worries about everyday things, such as work, family, and my health. It's hard to relax and I feel on edge most of the time.
Thank you for sharing that information. It's important to be aware of these symptoms so we can provide appropriate care.
Good morning, class. Today you have watched a conversation between a psychiatrist and a psychiatric patient with major depressive disorder and generalized anxiety disorder. Please take some time to answer the questions related to the content. Following that, pair up with a partner and prepare for a role play based on the scenario depicted in the video you have just watched. Question 1. By which is major depressive disorder characterized? Question 2. What does generalized anxiety disorder involve? Question 3. Which symptom is associated with major depressive disorder? Question 4. Which symptom is associated with generalized anxiety disorder? Question 5. Which illness involves thoughts of self-harm or suicide? Question 6. Which illness is characterized by feelings of restlessness and irritability? Question 7. Which illness is associated with social withdrawal and isolation? Question 8. Which illness involves fear of social situations and public speaking? Thank you for listening.